What's up, guys? William Agnew here. Welcome to another episode of Frequency Healing House. Today, I'm going to be talking to you guys about this particular modality right here. This is what we call our sound lounge. As you guys can see, we got the headphones right here, right? And we're going to get you in a deep, meditative, conscious state. And we do that with what we call our sound lounge technology. If you got a stress level that's probably high or low, or maybe even your energy is high or low, this is really going to be effective in helping you understand where you are and balancing you out. And this is going to help you understand exactly how to do that two ways. Number one, through auditory listening. And we have auditory that really gets into your ear, right? And helps you understand how to consciously meditate, which gets you balanced. And then with that, we have a vibrational effect with this table that matches the auditory, that's going to get the lymphatic system going and get you in that state where you're really going to understand the benefits of how health, wellness, sound actually changes your energy levels and reduces your stress. That being said, guys, go ahead and sign up. You don't want to miss this. This is going to be great. There's so many benefits to adding this to your modalities on top of the many others that we have, right? This is just one. If you're interested in learning more, please go online, take a look, and when you're ready to get started, go ahead and sign up. We are here every day to assist you in understanding how to better your health and better your wellness, which is essential, right, to overall health and overall wellness. That being said, William Agnew, go ahead and sign up, and we're going to see you guys when you get here, all right? Sound Mind. We'll see you guys when you get here.